Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. Today in this video we will see what do you mean by lambda expression in Java 8. So first of all, do keep liking, subscribing, commenting on my channel, YouTube channel that is specially meant for video tutorials on Java. So currently I am uploading on Java 8. So do keep liking, subscribing, #TechieMit. So now let's move on to the topic of lambda expressions. Let's go to the first slide of this PPT. See, so the definition of lambda expression, what does it suggest? A lambda expression is basically an anonymous function that doesn't have a name, has a body return type, and could possibly throw list of exception. So lambda expression, it definitely has a body. It doesn't definitely has a return type, and it could possibly also throw a list of exception within the code that contains in it. But it doesn't have a name. That's the specialty that is of lambda expression. Also, the administration especially provide implementation details to the function interfaces defined. So if there are any function interface, as we have seen in the last lecture, like a uh, function supplier, predicate, consumer, some kind of functions are there. So you can definitely provide implementation to the them using functional interfaces. So also, lambda expression can be used where functional interface is expected. By definition, it should only be used when where a function interface is expected. So in otherwise, lambda expressions provide implementation details to the function interfaces defined. So the last point is that lambda expressions help us to avoid the boilerplate code as compared to the anonymous inner class. Let us see much more details at how lambda expression help us to avoid the boilerplate code. So now in the next slide we will see the comparison between the anonymous inner classes and lambda expression. So let's move there. So as you can see in this slide, there is we have taken the differences between lambda expression and anonymous inner classes. So lambda expression, in the point number one, lambda expression contain only one single, that is single abstract method, and anonymous inner classes can contain any number of abstract methods. Secondly, lambda expressions can't be instantiated. Anonymous inner classes can have their own instances. So you can create instances from anonymous classes, but lambda expressions can't be instantiated. So we can create objects, in other words. No separate dot class files are created in lambda expressions. Anonymous inner classes, during compilation, separate dot class file is created and occupies more memory. So that's lambda expression have a memory advantage for anonymous inner class. You can certainly see that. And lambda expressions are specifically designed to implement functional programming, and anonymous inner classes on the other hand is mainly used to create a creation of subclasses. Avoid the creation of subclasses. Yeah, the purpose is to avoid the creation of subclasses. It cannot be used with lambda expression cannot be used with concrete classes and abstract classes. So yeah, as per the definition go, it cannot be used with concrete classes and abstract classes. And anonymous inner classes can certainly uh, be used with concrete classes and abstract subclasses. So moving further, we'll just see a simple class that demonstrate the usage of lambda expression. So what I've done, I've just created a class. I've created in the main method, I just created a new thread. So now you see the definition over here. I just created the thread by using these as the lambda expression. So these are the this thing parameters here where you can specify the data type. But in my current example, I don't need a data type. So I have declared empty over here. And so basically, I overloaded the thread constructor and included the lambda expression inside the thread constructor. So I just applied the lambda expression, and my program simply demonstrate just I want to display some information about the program while the program is started. So what I've done, I just created a new thread instance and created some system.out.println. It displays some messages such as just thread started by lambda expression. So this is just for the purpose to give a simple demo and what are basically lambda expressions usage and how compact and concise is the code and how meaningful they are. So just by using this much code, you would be able to create a new thread by invoking the start method, and the thread will be started, and this will definitely print what is the, you can see the sysout statement, and it's thread started by lambda expressions. I will put one spelling mistake, so just ignore that. So I'll just run and let's see what the output we get. See, definitely we get the output as thread started by lambda expression. So over here we can see that we have successfully created and utilized the lambda expression, and with the help of lambda expression we will be able to create the start a new thread and print some information message regarding to the which can certainly give information to the user, and is just printed what you mentioned in the sysout statement. So this was regarding lambda expression, and this was just the starter, and yeah, just give the demo, and in a simple way how we can create lambda expressions. Certainly more to come on you on #TechieMit. Do keep liking, subscribing #TechieMit, and more to come. And as you know, I certainly keep my source code base over there, and also I'll keep the PPT over there. Bye for now.